HubSpot Service Hub versus Freshdesk, which is the best help desk software? If you're looking for a robust solution to handle customer support, this is a question you're probably asking yourself. Both HubSpot Service Hub and Freshdesk offer solid features, but they cater to different types of businesses and needs. In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know so you can decide which one fits best for your customer support. Let's start with pricing. HubSpot Service Hub tends to be on the pricier side. Its pricing structure is a bit more complex, offering different tiers, but you get a lot of integrated features with those. It's a great fit if you're already using HubSpot for your CRM because the integration is seamless. But if you're a smaller business or a startup, Freshdesk may be a more budget-friendly option. Freshdesk has a free plan, and their paid plans are generally more affordable, which makes it a great option if you're starting out or if you have a tight budget. Next thing, let's talk about features. HubSpot Service Hub includes an impressive set of tools, including ticketing, knowledge base, live chat, and automation. The automation here is one of the standout features. It's very customizable, which allows you to set up workflows that suit your specific needs. But it can be overwhelming at first. Freshdesk, on the other hand, offers most of the same features, but its automation is a bit simpler to set up. It may not have the same level of depth as HubSpot, but for smaller teams or businesses that don't want to dive deep into complex workflows, Freshdesk could be the more straightforward choice. The third thing we need to discuss is ease of use. Now, HubSpot Service Hub has a lot of features, but that can make it feel a bit clunky to use. The interface is pretty user-friendly once you get the hang of it, but there's a learning curve. Freshdesk, however, has a cleaner interface and is more intuitive from the start. If you're someone who values simplicity and doesn't want to spend too much time learning the ropes, Freshdesk might be more up your alley. The fourth thing is integrations. HubSpot is great for businesses that already use the HubSpot CRM or other HubSpot products. The integrations with the rest of HubSpot's ecosystem are smooth, and it's ideal if you want a fully integrated solution. However, Freshdesk offers a ton of integrations with third-party apps, which is perfect if you're using a variety of different tools and need a help desk solution that fits in with other software. Freshdesk is a more flexible choice here. The fifth thing to consider is reporting and analytics. HubSpot Service Hub shines in this area. The reporting dashboard is rich with insights and can give you a clear picture of how your customer support team is performing. If detailed reporting and data analysis are a priority for you, HubSpot is the way to go. Freshdesk's reporting tools are decent, but not as advanced. It offers standard reports, which could be enough for smaller teams, but may not meet the needs of a growing business. So, both HubSpot Service Hub and Freshdesk are solid help desk solutions, but they cater to different needs. If you're already using HubSpot CRM and need an all-in-one solution, HubSpot Service Hub is a great choice. On the other hand, if you're looking for something that's more affordable, easier to use, and flexible with integrations, then Freshdesk could be the better fit. Now, if you're looking for a better alternative that combines the best of both worlds, after trying all of them myself, I recommend checking out the software in the first link in the description. It's an alternative that provides excellent features, ease of use, and a more affordable pricing structure, all with a solid free trial. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Don't miss out on that.